So let's move to this one again. What city is she from? Janeiro. Is that the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. Can you say Brasilia? What's Brasilia like? Very good. So let's move to this one first. Hmm. Can you write this one for me, then? Her name is Lucia Mendes. What about this one, then? She's very pretty. Is she a student? Ada klase! What about this one, then? History. Okay, very good. So, which one? This one, then. Brazilian. Very good. This one. Oh, this one. See? Very good. Mm, this one. Brasilia. Modern. So, who's that girl over there? Her name's Lucia Mendes. She's very pretty. Is she a student? Yes, she's a history student. Is Lucia Mexican? No, she isn't. She's Brazilian. What city is she from? She's from Rio de Janeiro. Is that the capital of Brazil? No, Brasilia is the capital. What's Brasilia like? It's a beautiful modern city. So let's try to answer the dialogue questions. Who's Albert with? They. Who's Albert with? Who's Albert with? Mr. Watkins. Mr. Watkins. Is Mr. Watkins an intelligent man? What do you think, Dave? Is Mr. Watkins an intelligent man? Is he smart? What do you think? Yes, he is. He's a teacher. Mr. Watkins is a teacher. So what do you think? Is he intelligent? Yes, he is smart. What about who's the girl by the window? Who's the girl by the window? Very good. Lucia Mendez. Is she very pretty? Is she very pretty? Yes. Is she pretty, Day? Yeah, very good. Is she American? What do you think, Day? Is she American? What is she, Day? She is Brazilian. Brazilian. What nationality is she? What nationality is she? She is what nationality is she? Yes, she's Brazilian. Very good. What about what city is she from? What city is she from? Just, very good. She's from Rio de Janeiro. What about is Rio de Janeiro the capital of Brazil? Is Rio de Janeiro the capital of Brazil? Very good. No, Brasilia is a capital. So, what's Brasilia like, David? What's Brasilia like? Yes, it's a beautiful modern city. What about what's the capital of your country? What's the capital of your country, Dave? The capital of my country, Philippines, is Manila. What about you? What is the capital of your country? You're from China, right? Yes, so let's see what's the capital city of China. Capital of China. Oh, capital of China is Beijing. Beijing. Can you say the capital of the Philippines is, oh, sorry, the capital of China is Beijing. Okay, very good. Can you wait for a while, Dave? Excuse me for a while. I will be back. Anya!